Hello friends, welcome to 5 minutes Excel channel. In our today's video, we will see a shortcut key called ctrl F. Benefit of this shortcut key is if you want to find any word, it will help you to find in fraction of second. So how it works? Let's start the video. First of all, keep your cursor on topmost left corner of the cell, then press ctrl F. The dialog box will open called Find and Replace. If you want to find a word called failure, just type it and say find next. Wherever word failure is there, the cell highlights like this. There is only one word called failure. I hope you enjoy this video and you will like this video. Please share, subscribe to my channel 5 minutes Excel. Thank you.